video, you are getting a super educational review on latex's hottest fashion trend. That's right, red latex, and how to wear it tastefully in public. Want to know more? Let's get started. So, since Britney Spears came out with that full red latex catsuit in her Oops, I Did It Again video many moons ago, I think we've all been in love with the titillating, scintillating, just everything that red latex brings to the table when we are talking about fashion. That being said, it can be a little bit challenging to wear such a bold and bright color on an everyday basis and wear it well. So, for those of you that are curious about how can you incorporate such a bright color into your wardrobe and make it look tasteful, make it look like you watched a really educational fashion video, stay watching because I'm going to give you that in-depth information in just a moment. But first, why don't I try on catsuit number 1? Wait just a second, guys. Before I fully unveil this gorgeous outfit, I know you've been dying to see it. I just wanted to remind you guys that VIP members are getting super fabulous free drops, free videos, free pictures, lots of free gifts and goodies that I don't want you to miss out on. So definitely do upgrade your membership. Head over to inlatex.com or simply tap the join button at the bottom of this screen, or you can hit the membership tab on my YouTube channel. Any of those options will allow you to access the absolute best latex content available online anywhere today. Okay guys, so are you ready to see this fabulous outfit? Look at this gorgeous red latex catsuit, guys. And I just want to tell you some of the specifications about this super beautiful thing before I, really let you see how shiny it can get. This is already slightly lubricated, but I haven't added any new polish on, so that is something to consider if you're thinking, should I get Radical Rubber red? Should I get Supatex red? This is Supatex, and I just love the sensation of Supatex latex on my skin. I say this all the time, and I also love, I just feel like Supatex kind of stays shiny. Once you rub the polish in there, it just, you know, it doesn't really dry up or evaporate as much as if you were wearing Radical Rubber latex. I don't know, maybe this is just in my mind. But some of the fabulous specifications about this Catsuit. So first and foremost, it is, let me show you back. It is a back zip. I'm like trying to get myself around there, okay? Okay, so it is like a back zip catsuit. So as you can see, we have, I think there's 3 zippers, I believe. That's one, and I see another one here, maybe 2 zippers. There's 2 zippers all the way going through the back and all the way back to the front. So let me show you the front again. And all the way back to the front, right here in the front crotch area. So that's really excellent because that means that you can wear this for all day, literally, and be very comfortable in it no matter what you're doing. The other things that I really love about this catsuit, the fit to me on this is absolutely perfect. And I was actually a little bit nervous because I bought this from Westward Bound, from their second shop, which means that, you know, there might be some little things, some little, you know, things to bear in mind about the catsuit. But to be honest, this was supposed to be like a longer inseam than what is their typical off the rack. I think it fits me perfectly. Maybe I do have pretty long legs, so that's part of it. And my big complaint with a lot of latex leggings is that I always feel like the inseam is too short, or there's like weird space in the crotch. Having none of those issues with this catsuit, it literally fits like a glove. Guys, if you're curious to know, again, what could be the best latex look for you, you might want to, before you make your final judgment, take a look at our outfit number 2, which is going to exemplify how you can be wearing red latex leggings on an everyday basis. So, are you guys curious to see like a really comfortable outfit that you could wear any day, anytime? I'm talking to the gym, to meet your boo thing, to do whatever you're gonna go study sesh, whatever it's gonna be, a fabulous red latex outfit. All right, guys, let me show you. absolutely love outfit number 2. And as you can see, we're still rocking all red latex, baby. We haven't switched it up, but we did switch up the comfort level. We did switch up the versatility. We did switch up the, you know, kind of the practicality of the outfit, because as I said, this is a latex outfit that you could wear for literally any setting, any scenario, and feel like you're looking super sexy, super cash, and not like you try too hard, which I think a lot of times that's the point of these educational videos. It's to understand how can we wear latex, this super fabulous, fashionable, elevated material, but make it look just as effortless as if, you know, we weren't indulging in a ton of different latex try-on and fashion educational videos. So I feel like this style suggestion is definitely something that you guys want to pay attention to. I'm going to show you every little angle of this outfit so you can really appreciate it. So I'm rocking a pair of, this is the same type of red latex. It's both Supatex latex as compared to the Catsuit from earlier. This is also, the whole outfit is by Westward bound except for the little white cotton accessories and my Nike sneakers. But it's a high-waisted legging. So as you can tell, it has this really nice waistband right at the front. And this is their Wonder Bra, which even though it is a bra, it lacks any underwire. And so because it lacks any underwire, that really gives it that nice crop top sports bra feel that I was definitely looking to emulate for the purpose of this outfit. So, guys, I definitely recommend that if you're considering how to wear red latex, that you think about ways to basically underplay the brightness and the boldness of the material by complementing it with other items, like, you know, other colors like white, something that's a really great balancing color at all times, or by using different cuts and different designs like the cap sleeve that I showed you earlier on today's first outfit. Red latex is something that we can all appreciate, we can all enjoy, and I definitely want to make sure that you guys get to see the back of these leggings as well, because what you'll probably notice first about them is that they're lacking any sort of zip, so they really do feel like a full, they actually feel like a real sports legging. I mean, they're just amazing. Yeah, guys, my final verdict on red latex is definitely go for it. Definitely try it out and just be really tasteful and thoughtful with your fashion decisions, and you'll absolutely love wearing this material. So thank you so much for watching this video. I always love checking in with you guys. I always love modeling for you guys and teaching you more about latex fashion. And especially love connecting with my VIP members. Mwah, biggest kisses to you guys. And do remember, if you are interested in shopping any of the latex items that I'm featuring in today's video or in any of my videos, you can head over to inlatex.com, where you'll be able to pick up tons of discount items and fabulous coupon codes for other amazing designers, as well as upgrade your life and get that VIP membership so you can access the absolute best latex content that I'm shooting exclusively for my top fans. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video.